Party party!
Party na!
Oh, ang sarap. Yeah. Happy birthday!
Hello, Pasaway. My name is Xander and this is my dad. Today we are going to Hollister Hills at the Fiesta Han 4x4 2026. Please come join us and enjoy this video.
Party party!
Party na!
Party party! What's up, Joe?
Hero! G! Oh, sa'yo to, uy!
Ay, sa akin ba yun? Sorry. Ano kaya?
Ay!
Tate. Sabi. Ha? Shot. Ano mo, Sing?
Yeah.
Ito kaya. Thank you. Oh, damn. Jimmy!
I was gonna go to your site.
Oh, dapat naglalakad na ako.
Nandiyan kayo?
Oh. Pa, gusto mo pa?
Ha?
Pa.
Ganda oh. Ay, Bossing! Anong masasabi mo sa rig mo, Bossing?
Long time na si Bossing.
Nagkaano, may tumidilim.
Punta lang kayo.
Bigatin na, pre.
Ha?
Basta, Bossing?
Malita. Hindi akin.
Ano ba yun? Papasok sana ako. Tour sana ako eh.
Ginawa ko na mga ano. Pero hindi pa tapos. Initial ano to.
Nawa.
Mga plan.
Yun, no?
Ay, ito na.
Shot po.
Andito may
Andito pa sa Alfonso.
Ito to. Yan.
Just take this. Okay, ano?
Shot po.
Thank you. Cheers.
Yeah, cheers. Let's go!
Robicon ulit.
Happy birthday, guys. Ay, si Kuya pala. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Oh, ang sarap.
Kaya...
Ready yan.
Ano, Mike? Okay ba?
Bago susuko.
Solid na ba?
Pwede
Solid
na?
na ba?
O, anong kulang, Mike? Sobra ng pamitang ano? Sobra ng maalat?
Sobrang na mabait. Hindi mo nalasaan. Oh, press
Ano
stick.
pinainom nyo sa akin? Sa tingin mo, malalasahan ko ng tama
Bong.
yan. Putang ina naman, lahat naman masarap sa'yo eh.
Sarap po.
Tayo.
Pwede.
Galat na takas labas. Bakit sabi ko, ano papapalitan?
Ron, may papaitan, Ron.
Sa'yo, Papay.
Ayun o.
Nagdala.
Sila Kuya Oliver. Ito? That's fine. Your dad's gonna be fine.
Oh!
Let's go! Let's go! Happy birthday!
Hindi siya nagsabi.
Jim, masarap yan. Lagyan mo ng konting kanin, men.
Oh yeah.
Ayun yung kanin. Lagyan mo ng konti. Sarap, dude.
Tangkain mo dyan pa da.
Daling ko yung remote.
Let's go, boy. Shit. Okay, Mike. Dire-diretso lang.
Kinain ng gulong?
Ha?
Kinain ng gulong?
Kinain ng gulong. Alam ko naman yun, aware naman ako.
Ano lang yan, tol?
Pero sayang. Kasi kinuha nila yung jeep.
May warranty, may warranty.
Wala na.
Go, go, go! Ang tayo, Rex? Sumuri dito. Oo. Let's go. You got it. Shit. Ayun, no? Oh my God. Wait. Back it up, back it up.
Straight up and back up a little bit. Yeah, stop. And now bump it, go. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, you got it.
Ayun, tubig.
Oh my God. Sige. Woo!
Oh shit. Oh, he made it.
Take the same line.
Ayun, maybe. You can make it. That's 40.
3 more inches. How tall is yours?
We're around 40.
40.
And actually only 2.5 minutes left. But the tires are flat.
That's a TJ, right?
Yeah. Come on, let it go away. But we gotta have these rocks right here. Yeah, that same spot. Yeah. The lock is on?
Get him. Alright, going up. Get him. Ow! Oh, tongue man.
Damn!
Must be. You know, 40. Malalim dito eh, no? Passenger mo na, pre. Passenger mo. All the way, passenger. Dahil mo, passenger.
Tama lang. Masibong, sibong!
Yeah. Sige lang, boys. Higit. Driver. Driver. Yan. Sige lang. You got it. Sige, Koy. Sige. Sige lang.
Up, ganda, go!
Ano tayo, frame teaser na, Koy?
Okay, front twister, tara. Okay.
Manong, passenger. Passenger, Manong. Yan. Sige, diretso lang. Okay na yan. Dahan-dahan. Okay. Sige, Manong. May space ka. Sige. Sige lang. Okay na yan. Diretso na lang yan. Sige. Hindi naglalak yung front niya. Pero yung front mo, hindi naglalak.
Hindi naglalak yung front eh. O wala siyang front locker.
Meron na tayo. Ayun. Ayun. Sige, okay. Ito kaya. Yan ako na. Yan kuya, diretsuhin mo lang yan. No. This. Yan. Sige guys. Now turn driver a little bit. Driver. I-driver mo kayo ng konti. There you go. Nice. Solid. Sila ron?
Kasama niya po yung...
Ah, nasa ito lang.
Gala namin nandito eh.
Ayun nga eh, prime twist. Pre, parang nasa mall lang kayo ah. Walang wala oh. Putya. Yung nahihirapan nyo. Eh. Anong prime twister? Ganun talaga ng flex ng mga yan eh, no?
Long base dito nakatulong.
Pagka-flex.
Hindi siya nabibitin sa drift eh. Ito yung long base na ano.
Kabila na Rex, kabila na. Malalim. Eh, utsang ina. Nakatagilid. Nakakatakot yung section na yun.
Bababa yung jeep.
Yeah.
Alright. Jeep's going down. There.
What the heck? Utsang ina. Try mo guys. Hindi ko nakuha, men.
Hindi niya rinade yung ruts, man.
Di ko nakuha, putya.
Namili siya ng ibang ano eh. Alam mo, chicken na yun.
Hindi, nakatagilid na nga eh. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Takot ako doon. Hindi ko na video. Ah! Sige. Sige. Nakakatakot. Parang hindi na ako makapit yung brake niya eh. Kuya! Kuya! Sige. Nak, siapa? Sino mo silaan? Ako na, Koys. Sige. Video. Roller coaster.
Doon pa lang, 1 point pa lang sila pre. Ang ikutan niya ng gano'n.
Nakakatakot yung ano. Tignan to mo.
Oo. Ako nga,
nanonood lang. Bayad ko matras pa eh.
Alin yung ano? Yan.
Giron.
Yan naman lakas ang loob.
Oh. Tapos pababa. Gumanon namin. Tapos bubuti nakabawi niya.
Si Mrs. na nagbibideo nung pag ano sa tapo niya.
Oo, binaba ko nga rin yung akin eh. Nababa ko yung akin kasi, oh shit.
Hindi, nababa ko nga. Nervous ako na. Ako din eh. Binibidyo ka na. Nawala din yung gano'n eh. Bumaba na siya. Tumagilin. Papasukin, Berilio? Papasukin ng pula?
Na. Ayon kay Dagon? Yeah.
Ron, pakas dyan. Ya, kasta. Di ba, Mi? Ya, kasta, Ron. Yan. There you go. Oh, fuck.
Right! Sagsag ka na. Yun.
Gulay, pampahaba ng buhay.
Sarap yan eh.
Punta namin sa Junel eh. Mga 10 na.
Bangin!
Ron! Ron!
Mountain biking.
Nakita kagabi ito eh. Dilim. Eh, meron pa pala rin. No?
Ay, iba punta parang uniform na eh.
Tagig.
You look family.
Maganda setup, pre. Yan ang pang patio. Diba? OTT. Ato na yung kanina. Sila ano? Sila Rex. Oh, he's gone. Rex.
Try ko lang ito. Try ko lang.
Ayun nga din. Dari ng mga color ano na ano. Tayo, passport, pre. Ano yan?
Diyan magdadala ko rin ang sarili mo, Dick.
Ano?
May connect ka na lang. Pwede ba magdala? May connect.
Connect the phone. Okay din yung sa ano. Ayan.
Ajay. Punta kami doon sa inyo eh. Nahanap ka namin eh. Ang daming mga gamit dito. Oo. Pero sa'yo, sa ilipin na.
Pasa pa. Mark!
Naman lang, konti lang.
Mark!
Parang ano si Mark, parang others si Mark eh.
Oh, no, umatras oh.
Parang others si Mark, man.
Mark! Wala na to. sige. Thank you.
Marami, mamaya, marami pa yan.
Sarap.
I just want to thank everyone here. I appreciate you being here. I know you guys have a lot of important things to do in life, but you're here. So first of all, thank you, Amo, Jimmy, and Kenneth for putting this shit together. Let's fucking go!
There you go!
Come on, Kenneth, come on. That's all I want to say. Come on, Kenneth. Come, no. It's front stage. Do you agree with me? No, Thank you. One more. That's all I want to say. And then P4 for life.
If you need parts or anything, contact him. Alright, so the first group I want to call out is Bugsay. It's actually a new group. It's all the youngins over here. Let me call Christine and talk about Bugsay. How they started. Let's go, Christine!
Kinakabahan ako. Alright, first of all, hep hep! Oh, Bugsay. Paano ba? Bugsay definition is paddle sa Bisaya. So, nag-start kami sa Il River. Nalunod kami ni Franz actually. Hindi yung sitting kasi si Pri, which is Christian. Sabi niya, Bugsay, Pri, Bugsay. Pero hindi alam ni Franz yung Bugsay. Kasi Bisaya nga. So dun kami nagsimula. Tapos yun na, nag-start kami ng mga Gen Z overlanders until like every month, nagka-camping na kami. I know, we all started mga walwalan and then turned into like family. Tapos our family got bigger and bigger. And then,
No, let me tell something about these guys. These guys could really party. One time we went to Gold Lake. It was freaking snowing. It was stormy. But we all had a great time. These guys. All right, Christina. Anything else?
anything else, guys? Hep hep!
All right, thank you,
Thank
Christine.
you.
Thank you, Christine and Bugsay. Ian. Okay, Ian's gonna talk about NCPO.
Magandang hapon! What's up? So, my name is Ian. Kasi ayaw ng mga kasama ko sila mag-represent eh. Anyway, I'm with the NorCal Pinoy Overlanders. We started our group stemming from NorCal Pinoy Riders, motorcycle club namin. Eh, when we found out, marami palang may mga rig na maganda. So, NCPO was born. And wala, I think kami yata one of the newer groups.
No, you guys are one of the older groups.
Ah, okay. Alam ko, hindi kami yung pinaka-wilder group. Nalaman ko kagabi, hindi kami yung pinaka-wild.
I heard you guys are the wilder group.
Oh, okay.
I know last night you guys were staying like until
Sorry
2
ha,
a.m.
sorry. Alas 3 ng umaga or baka alas 4.
No, it's
Yung mga
okay, it's
ingay,
okay.
hindi kami yun. Pero anyway, we are happy to be here and take part of this event. Kasi yung first year, nandito kami. Every year this happened, we've always been here. We always want to support our fellow Filipino friends and overlanders.
Thank you.
So, thank you again for the organizers. Thank you for inviting us again over every year. So, sana hindi kayo mainis sa amin mamayang gabi. I-invite nyo kami uli next
Oh
year.
yeah, no! Everybody's got it.
Pero salamat.
Thank you, NCPO, I think I'm really jealous with them. Every year, they do a motorcycle ride all over the world. They did Europe, they did Asia. I hope one day I could go with you guys. All right. Bong Magno. These guys, when you're talking about four-wheeling, these are really the best four-wheelers. They took me to Rubicon, Deer Valley. They all have Land Cruiser 80 series. All right, Joe Joe. And Bong. This guy, the group, when you want to know about Land Cruiser, they are the god of Land Cruisers. Shot ka muna, Joe. Pampalakas ng loob. Good afternoon, everybody.
Yeah!
I'm Joe, member of Pasaway.
Mayor!
Our president, Bong Magno.
Let's go!
The name you can trust, mura na, nauutang pa. It's nice to be here. Jimmy.
Thank you,
Get
Jimmy.
it.
Thank you, P4, for organizing everything. I know it's a lot of work, and I thank everybody that participated and attended this, and I hope next year it gets a little bit more bigger. Yeah.
Nakanda si Bong ngayon.
Pasaway. We started Pasaway with just a group of friends. Na puro pasaway, of course. But yeah, yes, enjoy the same things, right? We love
actually met
off-roading
here.
Exactly.
Yeah, we met Mike here, and then from then on, Mike knows somebody, that somebody knows, and everybody connected through the four-wheeling events and 4x4. So that's how we got organized.
In Hollister. They're the one who actually started this. Okay, this is Bing. Hello. These are Bing and Austin.
Good afternoon,
And Jojo.
guys. First, I would like to thank people for organizing this one, and also all you lovely people for attending it.
Yeah, and as Jimmy said that in the beginning, the OGT, we've been doing this for a while. We started with 4x4 rigs, and then we got old, so we now have vans. It's like we basically can't do this stuff anymore. So, but anyways, yeah, a long time ago we started doing this, and then Jimmy and team they joined. They loved it, and then next thing you know, they continued it. It's this is a big effort. So, let's give a big hand to these guys. Yeah, we all come here, we enjoy, but this is a lot of work for this team to do this. So we really appreciate it, Jimmy, guys, and then all the ones wearing pink in the back right there. Nice to see you guys. You guys have been, we know a lot of you. Thanks for stopping by. We're gonna go around again tonight. I'm gonna keep drinking.
Pwede na pa ako magsalita?
Yes, sir.
Parang ayaw mo na ako magsalita eh. Hindi ako mag-i-English kasi konti lang na-withdraw kong English. Kaya Tagalog tayo. Teka, dahan-dahan lang. Tayo na-freeze ako. enjoy lang tayo lahat. By the way, si Drogo, hindi kasama yan sa grupo. Ibang
Escapo. Who's we're doing introduce yourself and how Escapo started.
Okay, my name is Eric. Escapo Group of Orlando. We have a lot of alcohol-free drinks. Just go over there. So anyways, nag-start kami ng ako at saka yung pinsan ko lang. And then after that, mga ilang buwan siguro, yung mga kaibigan, they started, following us. That's how we started Overland. So, saka thank you sa pag-invite, boss. And next year, we'll be back again. Salamat! Thank you!
Thank you. We are the Oyen Pearl Overlanders from Sacramento. Literally, we are the extended family of P4 Adventures in the North. So it all started with, of course, my good friends Kino and HJ over there. They were the one who we've been camping, obviously, but overlanding not yet.
Hindi ka nagaya!
And
Hindi ka nagaya!
yeah, well, thanks for the invite. So it was HJ and Kino who introduced overlanding to me. And then what we started, what I did is mention
Reaction nyo sa kabila.
my
Crazy Pinoy.
JPOA is actually one of the big group and original groups in the area.
Oh, thank you po sa invitation. Thank you sa mga ginahan. Wala po ako sa thank you. And always safety first.
Jimmy. Thank you P4 for organizing. Kenneth. Jimmy. New group lang kami. Very simple. Got my buddy RJ over there. Umuwi na yung mga iba. And happy Father's Day to all dad. Yeah,
Let's go.
Happy Father's Day. Aro. But yeah, simple lang. We just love camping. Very simple setup. We made this group because parang we wanna be out there to check out everybody na kaya ng lahat ng tao just for a simple rig. You know, I still have my yellow box. Going camping, very simple. Very simple. As long as you know the coordinates, you know you have day off, go for it. So very simple. Very simple. Thank you people.
Thank you. All right. Hold on. Bill is the big winner for the Starlink mount. Let's go! All right, what is the winning ticket, RJ? 7, 5, 2, 6, 7. 7, 5, 2, 6, 7. Oh my God. Really good for your Land Cruiser. Wheel pin from both sides. Kailangan na lang ng caliper. I don't know.
RJ donated a lot from his sponsors. He has a Diet Dynamics lights too. So we're gonna do that too.
Picture first. Wait. Give them a chance. Some people bought a lot of tickets.
Hey, if nobody wins this is mine, okay? I'm not throwing it.
What is this?
280.
Squadron?
Squadron, the new Squadron 2.0.
Ooh, I like it.
Oh, we have a winner right there. Where?
Rod! Anay mo na yan!
Ronald Scott.
Oh, Roland, congrats, Roland. And another Bugsay group.
Para mo makakapot ng price mo. I know!
Sila na lang ba? Bumili ng mga dito. Pero this is good for them. They love to drink.
Si Brad, di na kailangan ng shot.
775-399. 3.
Seven, 5, 5, 6.
Really?
Karen, ito na. Announce it.
7, 7, 5,
1,
1,
9,
9,
9,
4.
ah! Oh! Sila na naman!
I cannot believe it. Who is the last lucky winner? 7, 7, 5, 1,
9,
8, 9.
ah! Wait! 109? 109?
No. 189.
Ah! Fuck! Damn! One more! One more! Good eye!
Not the ice cream.
Delikado, kaya ayaw pinap...
Tanga! Ay!
Everybody, let's go! Ako'y alipin mo kahit hindi batik.
Oh, di ba? Party party.